guys, it's Farah, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I decorated my room for Christmas and for the holidays. I know you guys have been asking for a room tour for literally years, so I decided that today is the day I'm going to show you guys my new room since I moved and how I decorated it for the holidays. So these are all my holiday pillows. I switched them out for each season, and obviously we're heading towards winter, so I decided to put a Merry Christmas one on here and then a few matching ones. I love the plaid on this. I think it's really cute. So this is my dresser. It's not that fancy. I like to keep it a little bit minimalistic just so everything kind of like stands out. And I got this guy. He's a reindeer. I named him Silver. And I got a second reindeer that matches Silver. His name's Derek. So I have my Moschino boots that my aunt from Greece got for me. I love that. And then I have like my favorite belts here. And I put some extra ornaments on there because why not? And then I got a wreath. It doesn't jingle like I wanted it to. And I decided to add some fairy lights to the top of my clothing rack just to make it look, you know, all festive. Okay guys, that's the end of my holiday room tour. I'm going to do a more elaborate room tour where I show you guys basically everything that's in my room. Once I finish it and once I get used to the way everything is. Right now it's holiday season, so I have a little bit of finishing touches that I wouldn't normally have in my regular room, like, you know, a Christmas tree. But when I post my full room tour, you guys will get to see like everything that I did talk about in this one. That's basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.